Good morning, this is my trade plan for the 13th of June 2023. So I've got my levels marked off on my alert software and I'll also show it on the chart. So looking at, I'm going to start off with SPY, and we had a big breakthrough the 432 area yesterday, and I want to start catching some of this trend up. So what I want to be watching for is a pullback back down. Let's open up my pen. So what I'm waiting for is a pullback back down to this area 432 for a bounce, which is off this area of support here and this area of support along here, and hopefully catch the trend up. My target will be the high of the day, and it will be this 437.51 area, which is an area of convolution I've marked off from the daily chart. So we could potentially see a bounce around here, which leads me onto my higher risk trade, 431.50 to 438. Could be an area we can watch for a bounce. It's going to be difficult if it's trending up and we've got a big uptrend, but we've got some way to go, and what I'll be looking for is not a grinding up day, because grinding up days, what I mean by a grinding up day is a day where the candles are small and it grinds up slowly, because I find that those type of days it normally pushes through levels. But on a day where the candle, you have some big moves, for example a couple of big candles like here, on those big movements, that's when I want to be watching for a rejection. So for example, if we see something like this, big candle, bit of a rest, bit of a rest, bit of a rest, another big candle through, then I'll be looking for a rejection. But if instead I just saw lots of small candles where it's just slowly making its way up all day long, then it might reject, but it's had more time to get there, and it may just come back down again and break through. But I'm looking for the big move. What I want to see is this candle here, and then the bigger candle, the rejection candle, back down again. So that's kind of what I'm playing for. That's it really on SPY, just those two levels, 432 and 437.50. On the ES futures, or the MES is what I trade, the mini micros, I'm looking for something similar. So I'm looking for, so this is the hourly chart, it's easy to see because we've got so big gaps above now. I'm just looking at the hourly. I'm watching this big zone here, 4,500, is a big natural resistance area because of the number, and also it's a daily resistance area, big pivot if we go back about a year or so. But again, with this area I'm looking for a pullback. So I've got two areas I'm watching for a pullback, either this area here, so this area here, or I want it to pull back further down for this higher probability trade, which is similar to the SPY one where it bounces off of these two support areas, and for a move up. So that's my first play on watch for, and that will be 4,370. Sorry, 4,380 to 4,390. I think that's what I've. 4,370, 4,389 to 4,387, so around that area. So I've marked it off, so I'll be keeping an eye on that, and I've got an alert in that area as well waiting. My next area will be a bounce at 4,370, which is this area here, and then a rejection of a 4,500. Yeah, there's not, and then I think that's it. Yeah, we've got a lot of space moving up, so we could see a few rally days maybe. But we've got FMOC tomorrow, so maybe that might define which way the market's really going. Okay, so have a good day trading, and I will hopefully speak to some of you today. Thank you for watching.